Welcome to CA Murren Sons. We're glad to have you on the team. This video covers important information about safety and employment to help you be successful. Let's jump in. You'll hear a lot about our core values, especially safety. That's because safety is the foundation of everything we do. It's the shared responsibility of every crew and every job. When we look out for each other, we ensure work goes smoothly and that everyone goes home safely. Safety, ultimately, pays you.
Safety is everyone's responsibility, and it starts at the top with me. If we can't get safety right, production doesn't matter. If we can't get quality right, production doesn't matter. Production will get better once we get safety right and get quality right.
Part of safety is understanding your role and responsibility for employment and on the job site. It's important you complete all your new hire paperwork, including reviewing and signing the team member handbook, setting up direct deposit, and verifying your I-9 documentation with HR. We are an equal employment opportunity employer, meaning we do not discriminate in employment practices. So if you hear, see, or experience any discrimination, notify HR right away. Respect of people and property is also a condition of employment. We have a zero-tolerance policy when it comes to workplace violence, bullying, or harassment. Prohibited conduct includes injuring, attempting, or threatening to injure another person, engaging in behavior that creates reasonable fear of injury, possessing, brandishing, or using a weapon, and intentional damage of company property. To ensure a safe and fair workplace, we have a grievance policy, a whistleblower hotline, and a suicide prevention number, which can be found in our team member handbook. We also offer a variety of substance abuse and behavioral health assistance resources as part of our employee assistance program. Please use these resources. Your health and well-being is a top priority.
When it comes to the job site, most of our projects start early. Your supervisor will confirm the exact start and end times. Regular attendance matters. If you're going to be late or out, call your supervisor as soon as possible. We rely on each other to show up ready to work. We take scheduled meal and rest breaks. Your foreman will go over those times. Some sites do not have off-site facilities for food available, so everyone is encouraged to bring their lunch with them. Personal cell phone use is limited to lunch breaks only. Use the designated break areas. If you smoke, do it only in the approved area. Keep the site clean. No cigarette butts on the ground, and absolutely no smoking in company vehicles or equipment. Housekeeping is part of everyone's job. Sweep cabs, clean tracks, and grease equipment daily. Keep your area picked up, return tools when you are done, and clean up before the end of each shift. A clean site keeps people from getting hurt and keeps us productive. CA Murren is a drug-free workplace. You will be tested before employment, and testing can happen after an accident or injury, randomly, or for reasonable suspicion. Show up fit for duty. Your safety and your team's safety depend on it. Everyone has the authority and the obligation to stop work if something does not look right. Anyone can call a stop, no repercussions. If you see an unsafe condition, report it. If you see an unsafe act, coach your teammate. If equipment is damaged, take it out of service. The goal is simple. Everyone goes home safely every single day. You have the right to know about hazards you may work with. Use the CA Murren SDS library to look up safety data sheets for any product you use. Make sure containers are labeled properly. Do not pour chemicals into water bottles or food containers. Store chemicals in grounded metal cabinets only.
We discuss safety topics during morning meetings and whenever new conditions or phases begin. Inspect your equipment, rigging, and scaffolding before each use. Never stand under a suspended load and ensure spotters are always used. If something happens, report it right away. This includes near misses, injuries, property damage, vehicle damage, and environmental spills. Reporting helps us prevent the next one. First aid kits are in every company truck and field office. If there is an emergency, call 911 first, then call your supervisor. If you need medical attention, a supervisor or safety representative must go with you to the clinic. Always help emergency responders find the injured person when needed. Before digging, you must call 811. A competent person must inspect and document the trench daily or when conditions change. Keep spoil piles at least 2 feet back. Provide ladders every 25 feet. Use proper sloping, shoring, or trench boxes. We have mandatory 4-foot no mechanical digging zones around all live gas and electric utilities. This is in place for your safety and for everyone else on site. Mechanical digging is never allowed inside any CA Murren tolerance zone. Instead, we use hydrovac methods to safely expose and locate existing utilities, and we clearly mark those areas with CA Murren tolerance zone markers. Silica is a serious health hazard. It is found in many construction materials. When you're doing any task that creates dust, ensure you are following all safety protocols to minimize exposure. Use the right controls, PPE, and other methods to protect yourself and the team. Fire extinguishers must be inspected and accessible. If you ever need to use one, remember the PASS method. Pull, aim, squeeze, sweep. Keep a clear path to extinguishers at all times. On all company property and job sites, follow speed limits, wear seatbelts, don't smoke in vehicles, and avoid horseplay. No drugs, alcohol, or firearms. Remember, only authorized personnel are allowed on site.
You must wear proper PPE all the time. That includes a clean hard hat, ANSI Z87 safety glasses, safety toe boots, gloves for the task, a Class 2 high visibility vest, and hearing protection when noise is above 85 decibels. Projects may have specific PPE requirements that must be followed as well. No jewelry is allowed except rubber wedding rings. Shirts must have at least a 4-inch sleeve. Inspect ladders and tools before each use. Extension ladders must be set at a 4-to-1 ratio, secured, and extended at least 3 feet above the landing. Step ladders must be fully open. Do not use them like extension ladders. Always use the right tool for the job. Check cords and guards. Remove broken tools from service. Return tools to the storage area when done.
Every quarter, we're required to inspect and color code tools and equipment. This includes all rigging equipment, electrical and extension cords, fall protection, and ladders. Each quarter has a specific color. The color code can be done using either tape or cable ties. Just keep in mind that if the tape or tie fades, wears out, or falls off, it needs to be replaced. All inspections and color coding must be completed by a competent person. And one more important reminder, this does not replace daily or pre-use inspections. Everyone using equipment is still responsible for checking it before each use.
Confined spaces require special training and a valid entry permit. Never enter one without authorization. We do not typically use respirators, but if we do, you must be medically evaluated, fitted, and trained before wearing one. In hot weather, hydrate constantly. When the heat index is above 90 degrees, drink about 5 ounces of water every 15 minutes and take a 10-minute break each hour. In cold weather, wear layers and take warm-up breaks at least once an hour. Watch for frostbite and hypothermia. Hydration matters in cold weather too. Always maintain at least 10 feet of clearance from power lines. Use spotters and goalposts when working near them. If a line falls, shuffle away. Do not run. If you are in equipment, stay put unless there is a fire. If you must exit, jump clear with both feet together and shuffle away. Spotters must be properly trained. They are responsible for preventing injury and damage from all hazards associated with moving equipment and vehicles. They must always wear the proper PPE and remain focused on the task at hand. Spotting should be their only responsibility at the time.
For heavy equipment, never ride in the bucket, rails, or steps of the machine. Passengers are only allowed where there are seatbelts designed for passengers, and only trained and qualified operators are allowed in the cab. Perform a full walk-around inspection before each use and check all fluids in the machine. Grease points can be located in the operator's manual or internal documentation. Always maintain 3 points of contact when entering and exiting equipment. Make sure backup alarms work. Never move equipment unless you know exactly where everyone is. We take conduct seriously. Violations follow a 3-step process: verbal warning, written warning, and dismissal. Blatant disregard for safety can lead to immediate termination. We are a team. Watch out for each other. Speak up when something feels off. Help each other lift, move materials, and report hazards. There are no stupid questions when it comes to safety. Thank you for taking the time to learn our expectations. If you ever have a question about safety, your job, or our policies, talk to your supervisor or safety representative. When we work together and follow these guidelines, we build jobs the right way, and we all go home safely. Welcome to CA Murren.